All right, let's hit the cheese wagon this morning. Everybody got a little extra candy in that lunch bag. Please don't forget to eat real food. 37 degrees. You're going to need some comfort food because things going to get cold around here. I'm talking about soup and chili and cornbread and maybe some steaks. So by the way, tonight is National Men Make Dinner Night tonight. Tell us what you'd like for your man to make for you this evening. Just hit me up, 208-534-9957. We will put them on blast and make sure that we have the dinner menu complete. That is our question of the day today. The kids this morning are going to need a jacket. We're going to get to 37 at the bus stop. At 9 miles an hour, we'll make it feel a lot cooler than that. High wind warning is in effect for eastern Idaho and into Montana. And then we start to see a winter weather advisory into the Cache Valley, down around Logan, and you get a wind advisory there along the I-15 corridor into Salt Lake City and Ogden, Brigham, and Perry. So what we'll see for the day today are winds picking up, a lot of blowing dust ahead of this front because we don't have any precip just yet. The rain and snow begins tonight into Salmon and will push through overnight with still wicked winds gusting to possibly over 50 miles an hour. Here's the front and the temperature gradient. You can see where the cold air is coming in from the Bay of Alaska, and we'll drop this air in behind this front so we get a little bit of some sunshine clearing and pokes through the clouds, but the winds will be the big story today. I'm going to need you to lock down everything out there in the yard. Make sure you got the no fun bun in effect and the kids are wrapped up. Hoodies are appropriate today. It is 26 degrees along Buffalo Way in Jackson. That wind chill with nothing right now, and the sun will be up around 8 o'clock, and we'll see some sun poke through here, but that wind is going to be the trick today. So let's make sure we cover our eyes. We'll have some blowing dust. Then tomorrow we mix the dust with rain and snow. So it's going to be rather dreary around here. Happy lights are in effect. Plug it in, 33 in Idaho Falls, and we'll be hovering around that upper 20, 30 degree mark as we get into snowmaking time tomorrow with highs only in the 40s. So a chilly beginning, the winds begin to pick up. We've already seen some gusts this morning of over 20 there into Ledor. Here's the Vipercast. Watch the front zip through here. It will arrive into the afternoon across Salmon into Idaho Falls tonight, right after Todd Kuntz tucks himself in and goes for a run. We'll start to see the winds picking up here. Now, I'm going to advise you, high-profile vehicles, it's going to shimmy and shake. We're going to see dust, you're going to see tumbleweeds, and then you start to see that rain-snow mix and a deepening snow effect, especially for the southeastern highlands, and this is why there's a winter weather advisory in here for the Cache Valley. So the southeastern corner stands to reason you're going to see several inches of snow. We're going to see gusts of maybe 50 miles an hour or more with this. Those windmills will be making money for somebody, and you're going to need to make sure that everything in the yard is tied down. And don't let the truck door hit you where the good Lord split you, because it will pop you in the meniscus and send you to the orthopedist. I know a good one. In fact, if you want to see our Halloween highlights, check out my Instagram page, Jeff Roper, as well as TikTok and Facebook. And thanks for allowing us to be a part of your Halloween yesterday morning. But November is here. That means just turn everything off and let's bring the winter weather. Yeah, several inches of snow is possible into our resort areas, into the mountain ranges and the benches. It'll be 57 though today in Afton. So we're above average for these temperatures. It'll be 47 at Old Faithful, 53 in Jackson. But you look at the overnight lows and that's good snowmaking recipe temperature. 61 in Salmon. It'll be 29 tonight. And you get into the I-15 corridor with 60s for the afternoon, which is about 10 degrees above normal for this time of the year. And we're going to be in the 30s overnight. So right around freezing into Blackfoot and Idaho Falls. You see it poked out of my ear. This is my little Secret Service earpiece. That way they tell me what to do, how to stand, where to hold my tooth. It's going to be in the 40s for Wednesday and Thursday with these temperatures at night plummeting into the teens. So it's time to go get a cord of firewood or maybe 6. Rexburg, it'll be 61 and we'll be in the 40s overnight with teens into Friday morning around here. More of this wintry mix into Wednesday for Salmon after we hit 61 today. So a mild, windy day ahead of us. Then we bring in some more shower chances and deepening snows. It's that time of the year. Pocatello 63 and then 43 tomorrow with storminess around and colder temperatures. It's going to be in the low 60s today in Idaho Falls. What meal does your man cook well? What you want for supper? 534-9957.